Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you English language. In English language, I am going to teach about grammar. So language is very much important. So one person says like this: language is a vehicle which helps you to convey your ideas, your views, your thoughts, and etc. etc. So if you have good knowledge in language, you can communicate your ideas and concept very well to others. So my students, my dear students, you must be thorough with language. So today we are going to discuss about tenses. See, you have been studying tenses since that standard onwards, I hope. But still in 12th standard also you are studying about tenses. So I understand that once the tenses are very thorough with you, then the language is yours. So you have to be thorough with the tenses so that you can communicate in simple English with others. So today we are going to learn about tenses. Okay, the title is tenses. Okay, when you hear the word tense or tenses, what comes to your mind? What does it remind you? Very good answer. Time. Okay, it reminds us of times. So these tenses can be classified into three. What I do now, I teach. What you do now, you listen. So that is called present tense. That is called present tense. What we do at the present time is called present tense. Yesterday I went to market and purchased a lot of fruits. So it's talk about the action which I have already done it. So it is called past tense. I am going to Chennai tomorrow and meet my friend. So talking about the action going to take place in the future. So it is called what? Future tense. So there are three tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. So my dear students, today we are going to only focus on this present tense. See, under this present tense, there are four types. The first one is simple present tense. Second one is present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect tense. Fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. The same way past tense also. There are four types: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. The same thing to future also: simple future, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can see that one now. Today we are going to see about simple present tense. You are going to construct a sentence with the simple present and simple past tense and simple future today, and we will complete the class today. Before that, I would like to ask you another question. How many persons are there in English? How many persons are there in English? Oh, that's not answer. You don't think about person means a being or somebody else. Oh, your answer is correct. There are three persons. So what are the three persons? Okay, first person, second person, third person. Okay, very good. Person, okay, person. First person, second person, third person. Okay, now I would like to ask another question. How many numbers are there in English? 28. So amazing. No. 28 are letters in English alphabet. But there are only two numbers. Do you remember what are the two numbers in English? Okay, your answer is correct. Singular and plural. Okay, this is person, three person and singular and plural. First person is always I. Second person is always you. Third person is always he or she or it. He, she, it. Then the plural of the first person I is we. Walk we. Second person you. Third person he, she, it is a singular. The plural is altogether they. You must know this one. See, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are called subject pronoun. They are called subject pronoun. So another one important things you must know when you are going to construct sentences in present tense, past tense and future tense. The thing is this one. How many forms are there for a verb? You know what is a verb? So it comes under the parts of speech, but I am asking you what is verb? Yeah, your answer is correct. Action word. Verb is an action word. Okay, my dear students, can you say an example for an action word? Sing. Very good. Sing. Okay, sing. It's an action word. So this sing is an action word. It has 4 forms. How many forms? 4 forms. Okay, first form of the verb is present tense. First form. Second form of the verb is past tense. Third form of the verb is past participle. Fourth form of the verb is present participle. Okay, present tense, that is the first form. Past tense, that is the second form. Past participle, that is the third form of the verb. Then present participle, that is the fourth form of the verb. First form, sing, present tense. Second form, past, sang. Third form, past participle, sung. Present participle, verb plus ing, singing. Okay, singing. Now, we are going to see only the simple present tense. So, what are the, I told them 8, there are 8 subject pronoun. What are the 8 subject pronoun? Okay, correct. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So now you told that the accent word here is sing. Okay, we use the sing here. Okay, sing. Okay, when I say that simple present tense, today only simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. Simple present tense. There is a formula for simple present tense. That is, first one is subject. Second one is verb 1. Verb 1. Okay, verb 1. Third one is object. What is subject? Subject is the doer of the action. One who does the action is called subject. The subject can be a person or thing or group of people. Then object, what the subject is completing, accomplishing, that is called object. Verb, what the subject is doing. Okay, doing. Okay, now see what the subject is doing. Sing. Okay, sing. So I, then subject. Okay, we subject, you subject, they subject. Okay, he, she, it, all subject. So main verb is what? Verb 1, sing. Object, what I sing? A song. I sing a song. We sing a song. You sing a song. They sing a song. When it comes to third person singular, there is a rules. Along with this verb 1, you have to add yes or yes. So what would be the answer? He sings. Okay, he sings a song. She sings a song. It sings a song. This is called simple present tense. I sing a song. We sing a song, you sing a song, they sing a song. Like that, you can construct lot of sentences. I eat an apple. Okay, I drink water. I watch movie. I dance well. I buy a car. I play cricket. I play volleyball. I bring a cup of tea. I get your things. So many words you can use and construct thousands of sentences. So today we learn tenses. Under tenses we have seen the clarification, the classification, present tense, past tense and future tense. Under the present tense there are 4 types: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Again, today we have seen only the simple present tense. My dear students, tomorrow you are going to do and come on homework, that is write 5 verbs and their forms and construct sentences of simple present tense. Okay, do you understand? Any doubt you can ask me at any time. Within this week we will be learning and we will be thorough with the tenses. Once the tense is thorough with you, the language is yours. You can easily communicate, you can go anywhere and talk, communicate with anybody else. Thank you so much. God bless you.